Happy Monday, my friends. This is Georgia Fox Hatfield coming to you from Hobart's Lake George Festival Park. And this is the dam and the bridge that goes over the dam. And I had to hike through a little back area to get over to this area because, well, as you can see, it's not easily accessible. So I got off the beaten path so that I could get this view. Let's see if we can zoom in a little closer. There you go. It's just beautiful. Just listen. Follow the fox, like, subscribe, and share. And I'll see you again soon, my friends. Take the path less traveled.